Hello everyone and welcome back to Supply. In this video I'm going to be giving you an overview of Spectre Browser. Let's go straight into the overview. At the beginning I'm going to go ahead and break down the functionality of the program. So you can go ahead and show it when you boot it up, it will be at this size. You can go ahead and scale it with the corners as so, like I'm showing you in the video. And then the top left you have the full screen button, the minimize button and the X button. So for the purpose of this overview I'm going to go ahead and put it in full screen, so it goes to full screen, and we're going to begin at the settings page. So on the settings page you have the header which says settings, and also a 24-hour clock timer depending on your computer time. And then we have proxies and preferences. So for proxies, it's asking you to go ahead and put in your proxies that we'll use in association with your tasks. So I've actually gone ahead and got a proxy here, so give me one moment. I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. I've blurred it out for the purpose of this overview, but it's there. So I'm going to hit save and it's gone ahead and saved my proxy. Then for preferences, it says Spectre desktop version 1.1.2. so this is the current version at the time of recording this video. And if you guys are ever wanting to go ahead and check for updates, you can hit the check for updates button. It will go ahead and check for updates. Alternatively, you can also deactivate your license if you wish, and then you have the option to put in a Discord webhook, and then below that you can click show Spectre notifications. Now moving over to the billing section, it is very simple. You have the header saying billing as well as a 24-hour clock, and you have the imports button which opens up a file directory, the export button which will do the exact same thing, so you're exporting billing profiles out of Spectre to somewhere else, and the addition button is to go ahead and create a new profile. So it says new profile, and once again the clock is there. Then you have shipping info, you can put in the profile name. So for the purpose of this overview, it is important to know that I will be calling this video test in your full name, email, country and state. It is important to note that this is a drop down, so you can go ahead and do the scroll, and you can also just go ahead and choose your country. I'm from the United Kingdom, so I'm going to hit United Kingdom. Then I have my address, apartment number, city, zip code, phone number, card, expiry date and CVV, and it goes ahead and creates it over there. So as you guys can see, I've gone ahead and created it, and then I have the edit button. If I hit this, I can go ahead and edit it. I can hit this button to go ahead and delete it. Now moving over to the task section, we have the task subheader as well as the 24-hour clock once again, and then we have our tasks here. It's going to be separated into task, proxy, current URL and status, and at the top we have the delete all task button. Then we have the mass link chain, so if I hit this I can go ahead and put a link in there and hit save. And then we have the equalize button as well as the new task button. So I'm going to hit new task, it's going to pop up like this. I can configure how many tasks I want by doing this, and then you put in the URL. You can select the proxy from the drop down. As you guys can see, the proxy I put in at the beginning of the video is over there as well, so I'm going to hit that. I can also put in a profile, a video test is there, and I can also activate safe mode if I wish. And then for the URL, I can go ahead and put in a URL. Obviously for the purpose of this video I'm going to put in a test, but when you're actually using it you would put in one that you actually want to use. I can hit save task, it's opening browser, and as you guys can see, give it a second here, it goes to Google at the URL I put in. Now for the setup of the browser, we have the forward button and the back button in terms of web pages. So as you guys can see, it changes there. Then we have the X button, the minimize button, the full screen button, as well as a refresh button as well. And you can also change the URL as well. And then our status is browser open. Our proxy is green because we are using it. Then we have a duplicate button. So if you hit this, another box is going to pop up. And then we have the delete button as well. So if I hit this, it goes ahead and gets deleted. So that concludes this overview of Spectre Browser at Supply.